Set your sails for the future of earning. Welcome, pioneers, to the world of making money online in 2024. As we venture into this new era, the digital landscape is ripe with opportunities. And one of the most fruitful paths is affiliate marketing. It's not just about making money. It's about creating a sustainable income stream. It's convenient, it's easy, and it's right at your fingertips. Get ready to embark on this journey to financial freedom. But first, don't forget to join our free affiliate marketing course, link in the description. Before diving into the ocean of online earning, you need to understand the vessel that's going to take you there: affiliate marketing. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme, but a legitimate business model that has been making waves in the digital world. In essence, affiliate marketing is a performance-based business where you, as an affiliate, earn a commission for promoting someone else's products or services. First, you need to choose a niche, an area you're passionate about and knowledgeable in. This could be anything from gardening to gaming. Next, you find a product within your niche that you genuinely believe in. This could be a physical product, a digital product, or even a service. Finally, you promote this product to your audience. Whenever someone makes a purchase through your unique affiliate link, you earn a commission. In essence, you're the bridge between the consumer and the product. With the right approach, affiliate marketing can be your ticket to financial independence. Now that you've got a handle on what affiliate marketing is, it's time to walk you through the process. First off, you'll need to identify your niche, that specific area where your passion and expertise can shine. Once you've nailed down your niche, the next step is to find a product or service within that niche that you can endorse. Now, don't just rush into promoting any product. It's crucial to choose one that aligns with your values and one you genuinely believe in. Once you've chosen your product, you'll need to set up a platform to market it. This could be a website or a blog where you can share valuable content related to your chosen product. The next step is promoting the product. You can do this through quality content, SEO optimization, email marketing, or social media. Every time a sale is made through your referral link, you earn a commission. And voila, that's how you make money online in 2024 with affiliate marketing. While this guide gives you a basic understanding, there's so much more to learn about affiliate marketing. Embarking on this free course can be your stepping stone to mastering the art of online earnings. It offers in-depth training, valuable resources, and practical insights that can propel you towards success in your online ventures. So, what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description and join our free affiliate marketing course today. Here's to your success in making money online in 2024.